Hi everyone, you're only in the beginning of your trading journey and don't know where to start? I've got a simple but really effective strategy for y'all that'll help you make money off of your first trade right away. No complicated theoretical basis, only comprehensive steps and real examples. You're gonna feel way more confident on the market after watching this one. Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how you can make money without having to sacrifice the comfort of being at your own home? If so, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're gonna clear up how to become a successful trader even if you're a beginner now. Trading may come off as complicated and confusing, but it's actually much simpler than it seems. Today, I'm gonna show you guys one strategy that you can make money today with, or with that you can start making money today already. So, before you start, you need to sign up with a broker and fund your account. To do this, go to the finance section right here and click on deposit. Then you want to choose a deposit method that is convenient for you. In my case, it's cryptocurrency. Then write the deposit amount, which is $50 in my case currently. Now, I also have a promo code for you guys that gets you an extra 50% on top of your deposit. So if you top up $100, you will get $150 on your account. To get the promo code, just text me via the link in the description. And to activate it, we want to click on this check mark right here and enter said promo code. So, clicking on continue. Now we want to pay for the application and wait for the funds to be credited. So it literally took around 5 minutes or so and the money has already been credited to my account. Now let's customize our chart for trading. First, let's change the time frame. Go to the top left corner and click on the 15-second time frame. Now let's add the indicator we're going to make money with today. Go into the indicator section in the top left corner and add in the Arun indicator. So now we're opening the indicator settings, clicking on styles, and adding an extra pixel to each line, to each one of the lines. Clicking on save. Now let's take a look at what our strategy looks like, at the gist of our strategy. Basically, if you're a beginner, you gotta know the concept of levels. A level is the point in the chart where the price turns around or reverses, basically. As an example, let me draw a level just like that. It was formed at this moment. As we can see, the price is rising, and at this point the price reversed, and so basically the level formed exactly at the point the price reversed at. As you can see, the price has come back from this level many times in the following occasions, and most traders use trading from levels in their strategy. However, if you're a beginner, I recommend you to use an indicator. Today we will use the Arun indicator. It shows us two lines, and our task is to pay attention to the intersections of these lines. I hope everything's gonna be clear for you guys. If you ever have any questions, you can always ask me on my Telegram channel or text me directly. If we see that the blue line crosses the red one from top to bottom, just like at this moment, it's a down signal. While alternatively, whenever the blue line crosses the red one from bottom to top, that's a signal for an uptrend. Our job is to basically wait for the moment when the price approaches this level to get a full-fledged signal from the indicator. I hope everything's clear so far. And as you can see, there's a certain support level over here, the price is approached, and when it approaches the level, we get a signal to enter downwards. And as you can see, the level was subsequently updated. Now let's look at the second example. Here we have a resistance level. The price has approached it, and when it approaches the level, we also had a signal for a rise. And as you can see, this level has subsequently been updated. For trading, we will use 30 seconds as the strategy implies a fast trade. Since we are using the 15-second time frame, there will be a lot of trades, guys. Now let's move on to the trading session itself and see everything in practice. I recognize a new signal, so I'm placing a $75 trade for 30 seconds upwards. In this situation, everything's quite simple. Here I see the price approaching the level that was formed at this moment. As it approaches the level, I witness an intersection on our indicator. At this intersection, the blue line crosses the red line from bottom to top. This is a signal to open upwards, or in other words, suggesting the level update. Let's wait for the result. So as we can see, the trade closed with a safe profit. We have captured a pretty good impulse, and this is the principle we're gonna stand by today and stick to. Guys, you leave lots of comments and questions below my videos, and I try my best to answer them all. But what if I told you that you could get immediate answers to all of your questions on my Telegram channel? I actively interact with followers, share my experience, and talk about nuances that can help you in trading. Don't miss the chance, the link is in the description. So I'm placing a down trade with $75 for 30 seconds. So in this case, we can see a certain support level. As the price approaches this level, I can see an intersection where the blue line crosses the red line from top to bottom. This is a downward signal and therefore an update of this level. I also recommend you to look for confirming factors just as well. And as confirming factors, I recommend you to pay attention to the candles in the chart. If we say a candle with a big shadow at the top and a small body, then this candle tells us that this area is dominated by a seller. Let's also look at these red candles, by the way. They are full-bodied and impulsive. Again, this tells us that the seller is dominating at this moment in this chart area. So while I was talking, we were able to catch a pretty nice move. I entered the trades at around this point, and we were able to capture the motion of these two candles. Wonderful. By the way, we've got another fresh signal here, and this time it's to the upside. I'm placing a trade for 30 seconds. So in this situation, I see a certain resistance level above, and we have also seen a very good impulse here. With this momentum, I recognize the signal from the indicator where the blue line crosses the red line from bottom to top. This is a signal to place an upward trade and update the next resistance level. So the trade failed, that's no big deal, that's totally alright. I'm increasing the deal amount and placing another covering one. Now let's go through the process of placing a trade step by step once again. First, we want to see the level in the chart. Secondly, we want to capture an intersection in the indicator. And we also get to see the presence of at least one confirming factor. And what I recommend you guys is to look for candle patterns as these confirming factors. Great, so we managed to witness an update of this level. Let's carry on. So I'm seeing another intersection. I'm placing a 30-second down trade. In this case, I can see a certain resistance level the price has reacted to a whole bunch of times. And these reactions show us that the level is indeed strong. And there may well be a pullback from that level. And of course, I also see this intersection where the blue line crosses the red one from top to bottom. This is a signal for a pullback from this level. So let's see how it goes. So, the trade closed in a profit. We even caught a little downward movement, guys. Let's see what we got next. So, we've got another intersection. I'm placing a down trade for 30 seconds. Alright, let's take a look. The intersection we're dealing with consists of the blue line crossing the red one from top to bottom. This is a good signal to open a down trade. As confirming factors, there's the support level here that has finally been broken. And if we look at the candles, we see nice impulsive and full-bodied candles here in favor of the sellers. They tell us that this area is totally dominated by the sellers, and they insist on pushing the price down. So while I was talking, the trade also closed in a profit and our account balance has already gone above $500. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. If you want to start making money off of binary options without having to spend a lot of time analyzing the market, then go visit my Telegram channel. There you're going to find simple and effective signals that will help you increase your income without much effort. This method is suitable for both beginners and professional traders, experienced traders, as you won't have to spend a lot of time trading, and at the same time you will be able to make a good and stable income. Don't miss the opportunity. Follow the link in the description, and let's make money together. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching.